Tax tips designed for internet marketers. Any dollars created by means of your internet marketing work counts as income. That income needs to be informed to the Internal Revenue Service, and you have to make sure you pay taxes on it. Unfortunately, money earned on the web isn't tax-free. Don't trust any person who attempts to express to you anything that is different. After all, you don't want to get into trouble with the IRS, do you? There are certainly not a number of things which are worse than getting audited. Obviously, if you haven't ever had to take care of your own taxes before now, learning how to keep track of your income and expenses and the sum that you owe can be really confusing. Use the following tips to help you. The most crucial thing you must do is keep income records. The records need to have a lot of details in them. Write down every single transaction you get, who paid it to you, and what the payment is for. Be sure to add the day also. You may use a system like QuickBooks to keep track of these records for you, or you can set up a system of your own. Some folks do just fine with a straightforward Excel spreadsheet. Do not simply throw out these records after you've submitted your taxes. It is essential that you keep them available for at the least 3 or 4 years just in case an IRS agent wants to see them. Some state that, after 3 years, if you haven't yet been audited, you ought to be okay, but check with the local tax rules of your state. Keep all of your bills and invoices for your costs. In IM, a lot of things can be deducted for small business purposes. The expense of running your website, for example, is usually tax deductible. The money you spend on office products is normally also deductible. Do you travel to confabs? Ask if you possibly could deduct your traveling bills and the cost of the conference. Once in a while, even a lot of the dollars you spend on your internet connection may be deducted too. It is essential to hold records and copies of all of your receipts and payments so that you can prove what you have spent. Pay taxes during the course of the year. Internet marketing is technically a form of freelance work, and most freelancers pay toward their taxes on at least a quarterly basis so that, when the end of the year rolls around, they won't need to pay as much. A great amount to pay is 30% of what you make that quarter. The IRS currently has a procedure that should let you make payments as often as every month. Keep files of what amount you pay in. When it comes time to file your annual tax return, if you've unintentionally sent in too much money, you will be given a refund in the amount that you have overpaid. There are a lot of methods to make tax time less difficult when you work in the IM market. You will find lots of great tips on the IRS website that are built to help you streamline the whole process from bookkeeping to tax prep. You may also consider, if you have the money, employing an accountant to take care of all of that for you.